With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here's an assertion reason type question. Assertion is the conservation of kinetic energy in elastic collision applies after the collision is over and does not hold at every instant of collision. So when two bodies are moving towards each other. Suppose this body is moving with velocity v1, this body is moving with velocity v2 in opposite direction, and somewhere between the collision of two bodies occurred. Now this is elastic collision. In elastic collision, kinetic energy is conserved. There is no heat or no loss of kinetic energy happens. And it is given that the conservation of kinetic energy in elastic collision applies after the collision is over. Yeah, it's right. And does not hold at every instant of the collision. Now suppose this, now after the collision, it will move with a different velocity. Suppose it will move this way, and after some time, again, this will get separated out, right? And again, it may get collide, but it doesn't hold that every time the kinetic energy will be conserved, because when it moves, heat energy is lost. When it moves this way and that way, at that time heat energy is lost. So every time kinetic energy is not conserved, right? So assertion is right. Reason: during a collision, the total linear momentum is conserved at each instant of collision. So yeah, total linear momentum is obviously conserved in each instant collision. Means whenever collision occurs, momentum equals to P equals to mv. Mass is always constant, and this velocity, when it collides, the velocity is same, that is this is also constant. So the total momentum is conserved. So reason is also correct, but this reason is not the correct explanation of this assertion. So our option 2 is the correct option for this question. That if both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. I hope you like my video. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.